Hi sir, one quick question. What do you think is the best diet, veg or non-veg?
Of course. It's vegetarian diet.
No. That's non-vegetarian.
There's nothing more fierce debate than that between vegetarians and non-vegetarians in the field of health and nutrition. If you are thinking, which one is better, veg, non-veg, or the recent star, the vegan? What modern science and ancient scriptures say about this? If you are confused between veg and non-veg, which one to choose? This video is for you. In 19th century, over 75% of Indians were vegetarians. 21st century, there was a paradigm shift, amounting 71% non-veg, and 28% veg, and 1% vegan. Vegan means vegetarians who also refrain from consuming milk, milk products, egg, and even honey. India is still the country which has most vegetarians in world. Modern science say mutton, chicken, egg, etc. are considered good, as they are rich in protein. Animal protein is considered most complete source of protein, with all 9 essential amino acids. People with sedentary lifestyle require 0.8 grams protein. If you wish to gain muscle, you require much more. Apart from protein, it is rich in vitamins and minerals, so as niacin, vitamin B12, selenium, omega-3. But does that make up for all the nutrients required by your body? Absolutely not. Apart from these, human body needs plenty of other nutrients. Plant-based foods like pulses, grains, fruits, vegetables and grains are packed with all essential nutrients required by the human body. Following a well-balanced vegetarian diet can help you get all the nutrients. The major problem with modern science is, it's not unanimous in its opinion about non-veg diet. Every now and then, we find them say, consuming meat is harmful to health, they say white meat is healthy, and red meat causes cancer. Some are against this as well. Some recent studies suggest, meat in any form reduces longevity, and increases risk of cancer and heart disease. So, with this context in mind, what happens if one is forbidden from doing something forcefully? That person feels restricted, and the feelings to break free increases. The more they are restricted, the more rebel they become. Eastern culture, especially Hinduism, doesn't have a forbidding tone. Like saying, don't do this, you go to hell, if you do this, you go to heaven. Instead, it just makes you aware of the consequences of action. Similarly, it doesn't forbid one from eating meat. Scriptures say, food must not be only considered as a source of nourishment, but also as a vibration for mind. When the animal is going to get slaughtered, just imagine the intensity of emotions it has to go through. This gets stored in the meat, and you are ingesting all these emotions along with the meat, which manifests inside you as vibrations in mind. They show up in form of lethargy, anger, ignorance, depression, etc. Whatever you eat will have a consequence on the mind and body. Hinduism is not the only religion speaking about this. Jainism, Buddhism, and early Christianity were all in favor of vegetarianism. This is also an experiment which we can do. Science and true spirituality doesn't say believe, they say experiment and experience. Till you don't get the experience, don't vouch for it. But very important, don't reject, without experimenting. That's what done by weak-hearted, who are afraid of losing. Try this, just go to a cow, and look in its eye directly for some time. And think, you eating it, just for the sake of satisfying your taste buds. If you are watching this video, trust me, you don't feel like eating beef, ever, again. Okay fellas, time to wrap up this short video. In part 2 I'll come up with much more well-researched, and interesting facts about this topic. Don't miss out. If you want to encourage me to do more inspirational videos like these, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let me know which topic you need me to do my next video on, after the part 2 of this vegetarianism series, in the comment box below. See ya.